Welcome to the sixth grade Social Studies virtual curriculum night.
I'm Miss Blackwell.
I'm Miss Olson.
I'm Miss Kosis.
And I'm Miss Brown.
In the sixth grade Social Studies curriculum, we will cover ancient civilizations. Some of those include, starting with early humans, we'll move through Mesopotamia, ancient India, ancient Rome, ancient Greece, ancient China, and ancient Egypt. This year, we will use a workbook, and we have a textbook that we will use in class. The students will also have access to the textbook online from home. They can access through their NC Ed Cloud account. Please be sure to check team websites and Google Classroom for homework and classwork assignments. Working lunch this year will be available for social studies on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Our first test this year will be on uncovering the past, and that will take place on September 30th.
Our first unit is called Uncovering the Past. It's an introductory unit to concepts that we're going to reference throughout the year. It covers history, geography, economics, and civics. Then we'll continue with our next unit, which is Stone Ages and Early Cultures, where we'll analyze how early humans depended on the environment for food and shelter. Students will be able to explain the shift from hunting and gathering to agricultural societies and how that led to the development of larger and more permanent settlements. We're going to work to implement more literacy skills into our curriculum this year. So students will complete current events twice a month, study primary sources, and also write summaries. Here are the steps to get into the textbook online. Students will log in to the NC Ed Cloud or Rapid Identity website, and they will click on the Ed icon. It has the yellow smiley face on it. Once they click in there, they can click on the module that they are studying currently. Please make sure that your pop-up blockers are turned off, because when they click on the module and it opens up the textbook, the computer identifies it as a pop-up and can cause some issues with that. Here's a walkthrough of the textbook so you can see what it looks like and how they get there. This is their NC Ed Cloud homepage, and they'll click on the Ed icon. Our textbook is a HMH World Civilization. They'll click on the module. Currently, we're in the Uncovering the Past. And then this will pop up in a new window. Their first page has our essential question and usually some type of engaging scenario to kind of put themselves in a position and engage into that. As you go down all the reading, there's vocab you can click on to find the definition. There are pictures that you can interact with too. This is where they'll find all the answers to their notes during the reading. There's areas they can learn more about. Slideshows with pictures and information. Reading checks at the bottom to check their understanding as they're reading. At the end, they have a review area where it has our vocabulary and flashcards. They'll also have this in some form on Google Classroom or Quizlet, depending on what teacher they have. There's also enrichment ideas. If the teacher ever has resources there, that's where they can find them. There's a contents toolbar over on the side that they can jump from one place to another if they need to go to a specific page.
The students will be using a variety of resources this year in social studies. We'll be using Nearpods, Google Classroom, Quizlet, and several others. Our contact information is provided on this particular slide. If you need to get in touch with Ms. Adams, Ms. Olson, Ms. Blackwell, or Ms. Kosis, you have both the team site and our email addresses.